With this Dyson 360 VisNav robot vacuum, cleaning takes care of itself. This is one powerful robot for sure, with 6 times the suction of other robot vacuums, meaning it'll give your home a proper deep clean. If I set it going here, it has an intelligent 360 vision system with a panoramic camera that knows exactly where it needs to clean. It cleverly navigates around your home, detecting obstacles and changing direction to avoid them. It uses an oil drop cleaning pattern, adapting its suction power automatically when it detects more dust. The triple action brush bar, which provides a deep clean regardless of your floor type. Plus, its wide diameter is engineered to pick up more with each pass and reduces hair tangling, saving you from having to pick out those tough strands from the brush. And it reaches all those nooks and crannies too. The D-shaped design with a clever side duct that extends when it detects a wall means it cleans right up into the corners of your space. And if you think that's clever, it also has a low profile with an LED light on the top too, so it can maneuver itself under your furniture, leaving no stone unturned. To get the most out of your VisNav, simply download the My Dyson app using the QR code on the box here, or search in your app store to seamlessly connect your vacuum and follow the on-screen instructions. I like the added touch of being able to name the robot too. The app gives you full control of setup zones within your home and select cleaning modes with the ability to start and customise cleans from wherever you are. You'll even receive software updates automatically to improve performance. Once a clean is finished, you'll be notified via the app and receive a summary, which includes dust hotspots. The app is even compatible with certain voice assistants, so all you need to do is use your voice to start a clean. If you would like to know more info about the Dyson 360 VisNav Robot Vacuum Cleaner, visit us in store, head online, or you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.